The most important thing I've learned about finances over the last 10 years has nothing to do with budgeting, saving, investing, interest rates, none of that. And other gurus I listen to, they'll talk about that stuff and then they'll also talk about the why, right? We got to have the why. And that's important because we have to know what is the whole reason why we're going to sacrifice not going on vacations or not buying the car we want. Why would we do that? Because we're all looking to have the best life possible. But that's the whole point. Everyone misses the point of that money is just a tool to buy happiness, right? The happier we are, the more secure we are, the better we sleep at night, it all leads to a better life. However, the definition of happiness evolves from us growing and healing. And this is something I've never heard before. Look, what's your definition of happiness now? I guarantee it's not the same as what it was 10 or 15 years ago, especially if you're healing traumas, if you're getting over the past, if you're growing. That's the whole point. It is for me because 10 years ago, I just wanted a fast car. I wanted cool clothes. I wanted to be able to go to the club and get the hottest girl. That was my idea of happiness. And that was so immature because now at 33 years old, I'm like, I'm way happier now with none of that stuff. The point is that we can save, we can invest, we can budget, we can do everything right with our finances, but we have to know why while that why is evolving. That means that I grow every single day. I want you to grow every single day. Books, podcasts, therapy session, everything. The definition of happiness needs to get clearer and clearer because society is telling us it's this car, it's these clothes, it's that purse, it's being with that person, it's living in that neighborhood. And so if you do all the right steps with your money to chase another person's definition of happiness, or if you think it's your own definition, but you haven't done the inner work, then what's the point? It's kind of like nitric oxide on Vin Diesel's Honda Civic in Fast and Furious 23. He can put all the buttons down, he can go off the red line, and I don't know all the terminology, RPM, and he can go super fast. But where's he going super fast to? If all this knowledge on budgeting and finance is like the nitric oxide that will take your car from 50 miles an hour to 150 miles an hour, you better make sure that you're going in the right direction. And when you evolve and you heal and you truly understand what makes you happy, who you are, what you want to do, then you're going in the right direction. If not, you're like Vin Diesel going like veering off the racetrack. So the point is, you need to be healing your past traumas. You need to be growing and learning and seeing who you truly are. Because when that comes through, when you know who you truly are, money will just be icing on the cake. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video and see you next time.